Windows says driver is unavailable and your printer just stopped working. Here's the fix in order. First, restart the print spooler. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc. Find Print Spooler, right-click, and hit Restart. That clears a stuck driver about a third of the time. Second, remove the printer and re-add it. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Printers and Scanners. Click your printer and choose Remove. Then click Add Device and let Windows pull a fresh driver. Third, if it comes back, the driver is genuinely broken. Go to the manufacturer's support site, HP, Canon, Epson, or Brother. Download the full driver package for your exact model and install that instead of letting Windows guess. Fourth, check your recent Windows updates. Microsoft has shipped more than one update that broke printer drivers, and you can roll it back under Settings, Windows Update, Update History. Your printer isn't dead, the software quit. And if you're in there because the ink ran out anyway, Castle Ink stocks compatible cartridges for every major brand at up to 70% less than OEM.